Hey guys, what's up? This is Andrew for TRENDLINES.com. So first guys, sorry I wasn't there with you yesterday on my Discord when AMC was actually going lower. It was my first night out. So, I went to see my friends, I went to the restaurant, just had some, good time to get back some energy and make an analysis today with you guys on AMC. So let's get into it. Alright, so as usual, let's start. I was here on a 5 minutes time frame. I'm going to show you everything that happened yesterday. I'm going to give you, as usual, remind you what was my first scenario that I'm posting every day, guys, on my Discord. So here, once again, I'll just remind you quickly the situation. We have here this huge breakout, all right, that is very clear, that has retested. So this breakout comes from this trend line, guys. It has been rejected here. Then we went through it. So this is confirming that this breakout is followed by many investors. Then it's been retested. We had the reaction. Then we just had this excess here that for me is, happening sometimes. We had it before as well. So it's nothing too bad for me. And then here we strongly bounced back on Monday. So this was very expected, very much expected. And here we still have this bullish momentum that is coming from this medium-term breakout that is going to impact the price action for the coming week, 2 weeks, even maybe 3 weeks. So not so sure how long this would take, but the breakout is here. Everybody saw it. It's going to impact the price action. So here, this is the reason why. So let's zoom in a little bit. I was expecting to have a fifth wave. All right. I was expecting something like this yesterday. I was bullish, and let me explain why I was bullish. So the first reason is that indeed I have a bullish bias in this situation, not because I just want AMC to go higher. It's because I have this breakout. All right, guys. If it was a breakout on the downside, I would have a bearish bias. So here I have a bullish bias indeed. It's not only that, guys. Here you can see that we had 1, 2, 3. So in this recovery on that happened on Monday, 1, 2, 3, very clear. 4 for me. That has been broken on the upside. You can see. Here we have the breakout. We went higher on the open. Yesterday we opened at 40.6. And here you can see that we failed actually to go higher. So this is definitely not good. I didn't expect that. We can try to see, it was interesting to see if we had some early signals that could have, tell us that the reversal here, the pullback, it's only a pullback, right? It's a short-term pullback, so it's nothing too bad. I'm going to explain here what it means for me. Let's see if we could have guessed we have this. So once again, I like to use the 5 minutes divergences with the MACD on AMC. And you can see that here we had the very first little signal. You can see that here the MACD is going slightly lower, guys, from here to here. But it's so small, it's very hard to use those when they are not clear enough. And this one is here, it's real, it's a divergence. The MACD is going lower highs when the price action is making higher highs, but it's so small that it's hard to actually use and trust. But anyway, we had it, and then here we didn't make a higher high. All right, so we failed. So here we don't have a divergence. So the only thing that we could have used in this situation is the moving averages. You can see that the 50-period moving average was supporting the price very well the whole way up. Only here we had this, on the 15 minutes time frame, we didn't have a breakout. Okay, you can see the 20-period moving average on the 15 minutes time frame has never been broken twice, only here, guys. All right, so this could have been the information that you could use to know that you're going to have a short-term reversal, but it was pretty tough, let's be honest. So now let's see what this means for the next price action. Let's see what this means for the next moves. So here, my labeling is going to stay like this. I could still do something like this. You're going to, 1, 2, 3. We could still make a counting like this, but, it's a valid counting. The third wave is not the shortest, but the third wave doesn't contain 5 waves. I don't know. To me, it's more like this, and this is a truncated fifths. That's all it can be for me. Then here we have a zigzag. All right, so let's see how deep we will trace, because it's important. The deeper we go, the worse it is, of course. We don't like to have those retracements, those pullbacks too deep. And here, what's the level, guys? Let's see. All right, so here we went to the 61.8%, 37.05. All right, so 61.8%. So as you guys know, it's a typical retracement level for a zigzag, especially in a second wave. Let's say that this all looks good to me for now. Once again, we are in a third wave. So if this counting is correct, we need to have some strong moves up, guys. All right, we are in the third. It might be the third of a third. All right, it might be like this. But if this is to be correct, we need some strong moves up right now. For now, I see a little bit of weakness here. So I'm still bullish, of course, but we need to have something strong coming very quickly. Otherwise, this bullish momentum coming from this breakout is going to start to fade. People are going to start to doubt, to forget that we are bullish, and, you know, bears could take back control. So bulls need to win the battle today and this week so that this breakout is definitely confirmed. All right, guys, so let's do GameStop quickly. On AMC, that's all I can tell you guys. So we expect some moves up, you know, we expect this price action to come back. And on GameStop, nothing much to say, guys. You know, 180 is still the major pivot point for me. You can see the price action is hovering around this level. I'm not sure what is this. It might be a leading diagonal. So if we go to 200, it would confirm that we have, you know, 5 waves up. That even if it's messy a bit, it's still in 5 waves, so it's good. We like to see 5 waves going higher, which means the trend is actually up. So let's see. For now, not much information here. The price action is just pretty steady. Volumes are still low. So let's find out what is happening here. And that's it for me, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to click on the sub, like and bell button so you're gonna be the first to know when I upload anything new. And stay close to shore. See you guys.